Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read 10 lines on Allama Iqbal. Let's get started. Allama Iqbal is our national hero. Number 2. Allama Iqbal was born on November 9, 1877. Number 3. He did his MA from Government College Lahore. Number 4. Then he went to England for higher education. Number 5. On his return, he practiced law. Number 6. Soon he left it and began to write poems. Number 7. His poems give us message of hope and success. Number 8. He gave the Muslims the idea of Pakistan. Number 9. He died on April 21, 1938. Number 10. He is buried near the Badshahi Masjid. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.